In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D pie chart in Google Sheets so you can make your data more visual and eye-catching. First, open your Google Sheet and make sure your data is organized. You should have one column for categories and another for values. Now, highlight your data by clicking and dragging across both columns, including the headers. This helps Google Sheets label your chart correctly. Next, go to the top menu and click on Insert. Then choose Chart. A default chart will appear on your screen. Now, look at the chart editor on the right side and find the chart type option. Change it to pie chart so your data is displayed in a circular format. Once your pie chart appears, go to the Customize section in the chart editor. Here, look for the option that enables 3D styling. Turn on the 3D option and your chart will instantly gain depth, making it look more dynamic and visually appealing. You can also adjust colors and labels to match your style or make your chart easier to understand. And that's it. You've created a 3D pie chart that makes your data stand out and easier to present. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.